Dreaming of making a difference in your community? Starting a group home in Georgia is your opportunity to provide a safe and supportive environment for those in need. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Research and planning. Understand your target population and their unique needs. From developmental disabilities to elder care, identify who you'll serve and what they require. Step 2. Assess the demand. Analyze the community's needs, consult local authorities, and identify service gaps. This ensures your group home will address real unmet needs. Step 3. Develop a solid business plan. Outline your vision, services, funding sources, and marketing strategies. This plan will guide your journey and impress potential investors. Step 4. Secure licenses and permits. Navigate Georgia's regulations carefully. Submit your application, prepare for inspections, and ensure your facility meets all safety and health standards. Step 5. Build your dream team. Hire compassionate and qualified staff. Invest in training to create a nurturing and professional environment for your residents. Starting a group home is challenging but deeply rewarding. Follow these steps and you'll create a home where people can truly thrive. Ready to begin your journey? Let's make a difference together. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on starting and growing your agency. Let's make a difference together. Thanks for watching. Ready to start your own group home in Georgia? Visit www.carepolicy.us today to book your consultation and take the first step toward building a caring and successful facility.